Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are back in Scalea today, specifically in the Baia del Carpino area, and as you know, that is a super desirable area because of the spectacular sea views and the proximity to the beaches and the private beaches as well. And in Baia del Carpino, there is a shuttle that takes you downtown in the summertime and to the beaches, so they've got everything that you need and want up there. This is a beautiful villa, and it's 90 square meters, so you have a lot of space, but the outdoor space is stunning. Check it out.